Hello and welcome to another edition of Market in Waves on this Tuesday, the 29th of June. So creeping ever closer to the end of the month and also the end of the quarter, which will be a significant factor if we see a little bit of a sell-off in a few currency pairs or instruments across the board. So the dollar has had a little bit of a resurgence in the last few hours against the euro and the pound, which are the two pairs I'll be looking at today. And we've had, sentiment shift a little bit with the recent lockdowns in Australia, which was supposed to be a little bit of a safe haven country during the pandemic. And also infection rates are spiking up in the UK as well. But there is going to be no extended lockdown, apparently, according to the new health secretary that was instated on Saturday. So we'll see if that comes into fruition. So just taking a look at euro dollar first of all today. So, we've had this leading diagonal finishing, and then we moved on to the WXY leg and, expecting that to finish the intermediate wave 2. And within that internal structure, previously I was looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, but it looks like possibly my wave 2 is down here. Wave 1. 2 has completed just recently, and now we're waiting on wave 3, 4 and 5. I'm still looking at this 78.6 region here of the Fibonacci extension because it's a nice confluence of the 238.2 Fibonacci extension of waves W and X as well, to lead us down into, I'll just bring that down a little bit for you, to lead us down to complete C of Y of 2. So, and then obviously another move higher above the previous high to go into intermediate wave 3 as well. So still looking to see that's going to be potentially what we are looking for. Just waiting for some signals in the next few trading sessions to complete wave 4 and 5 of the internal structure, and then we'll see if that's going to play out and how it does. It could be a fact that, I'll just take this off, put this in. If we do fall below this 100% of the retracement, then this could be invalidated, and we'll look for another pattern and see what the potentials are. So just keep an eye on that as well. We have a long way to go before that happens, however, quite a few pips to go. But I am just looking at this, as I said, 78.6 region here to finish this internal structure and then lead us to, intermediate wave 3. So that'll be very interesting as well. Just looking on any signals as well. So I've had a small bearish divergence, very, very, not tiny, but quite, you could say insignificant at the moment. We're just going to wait to see if it really forces its way into play. But that's recent. We had previous ones as well that we looked at, but this is the most recent one, so I'll be keeping an eye on that one specifically. And just looking at cable as well. We'll just take the RSIs off at the moment. So still looking at the completion of the minor wave 4. We are looking at completing the minuet wave 4 and moving down further. This now looks completed to me. We did fall back into this ascending channel, which I'll just extend slightly for you. And now we are looking to see to move down into wave 5 as well of C of 4. Again, just looking at these Fibonacci extensions, don't get too confused by them. This is just an extension of wave 2 and 3. Of wave 3 in particularly, and now moving up to wave 4. So we've touched the 38.2 and moving below the 23.6 now. So that's a good indication that we are on our way to moving down into wave 5 still, and seeing that completed. And then obviously another bounce to the upside could entail there. Looking at a possible running flat as well to complete this maneuver once minor wave 4 has completed. As I said, then I move to the upside as well. But it could be that my minor wave 4 has already completed And if that's the case, then I'll just be looking to see what the alternatives are in the next few trading sessions as well. Looking at divergences as well. You could say that we did have a small signal at the most recent point here. Very, very small though. So we'll see if that comes into fruition as well, and see what the possibilities are for a bounce to the upside. But as I say, we have to get past this wave 3 first of the minuet degree, and we'll see what the opportunities are there. So yeah, very, very positive for cable at least to complete its round, and we'll see what happens in the next few trading sessions. So that's all from the market in waves. Thank you very much for joining me, and we'll speak again soon. Bye for now.